Hi guys, so I'm doing a tutorial on how to create a button in GameMaker 2 drag and drop. So I'm using a crazy sprite like this. You don't have to do that, you can use whatever sprite you want. So what you'll want to do is you want to create an object for your button. As you see, I've already done that. Then you'll want to find events, wherever that is. Where is it? I'm sorry, I can't find the events. Give me a second. Where is it? Oh, it's down here. Okay, sorry. Then you're going to want to go to the gesture event. And that'll tell the game to do whatever you want it to do when you click the object sprite with the mouse. Or whatever gesture you wish, like a double tap or a tap. In this case, we're just going to be doing a tap. So click that. Then you can now tell it whatever you want it to do, and the button will do that when you click it. In this case, I'm going to set it to destroy the instance, and thus the entire object. Drag that here. Then I'm going to want to make sure my button is inside my room, or drag it in. And now it should be working, so I'm going to run the game and demonstrate how it works. Give it a second to load. And okay. So I see we have the button here, and when we click it, it should destroy itself. There you go. So that is how you create a button in Drag and Drop GameMaker 2. Bye.